How to make the machine embroider on flat. Firstly, we need to take off the cap attachment. There are 3 screws connected to the cap attachment. Lose it, and then we can take it off. Okay. Very easy to operate. And the same procedure for the second head. And then we assemble the table for flat embroidery on. Adjust the heat. And then fix it to stable the table. Fixed well. Then we need to fix the clothing on the big frame to make flat embroidery. Firstly, we put the clothing on the frame, and then we use the clicks to stable it. Okay. After we fix the clothing on the big frame, we fix the frame on the machine. We take off the screws which was used to fix the cap attachment. And then fix it to stable the big frame. we have to fix it tightly to make the frame stable enough. Okay. And then we operate on the machine. Firstly, we choose the red frame. For the biggest frame, it's F. And then we let the machine go into working condition. And then we select the design we want to embroider. Firstly, we read the USB, choose the design you want to make, and select it. Select it and press OK. And make the machine go into working condition, and then we select color. We can see on this design it has 8 colors. Select the color you want. Okay. Make the machine go into working condition and check border. This procedure will show you the area and then you press start button, the machine will work automatically.